Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so today's date is 10th of January 2021. This is class 11th and I will teach you commerce. Okay, I'm going to ask you few questions. If you know the answer, please give answer in complete sentences. Okay, so tell me, what is business?
Buying and selling of goods and services for profit motive is called business or known as business.
Very good. How profit helps business?
Profit reduce the risk of loss.
Very good. What risks are involved in business?
Business risk are financial risk involved in a business.
Very good. Financial risk are there in business. Do business require something against these risks?
Yes, business requires proper measure against risk.
Very good. So, what factor protect business against these risks? So, students, today we shall study about insurance. Okay. So, tell me, who else can use insurance to get protection against risk?
Other than business, human can also be protect against the risk.
Very good. Okay. So, what do you mean by insurance?
Insurance is lesser used to lesser the risk.
Very good. Okay, so here is the meaning of insurance. Okay, so insurance is a contract under which one party agrees in return of a consideration to pay an agreed sum of money to another party to make good for a loss, damage, injury to something of value in which the insured has financial interest as a result of some uncertain events. Okay, so in insurance, what happens? There are two party, insurer and insurance company. So in this, insurance company agrees to return a consideration, means when insurer pays some amount to the insurance party, which is called consideration, and in a normal language it is also known as premium. Okay, so when insurer pays the premium, which is a consideration to the insurance company. Okay, so to pay an agreed sum of money to another party. Okay, so when the insurer will pay a premium to the insurance company, then the insurance company will pay the sum of money to another party to make a good for a loss. Okay, so when a loss occur, these premiums, okay, so the lump sum money will be given to the insurer. Okay, damage, injury to something of value in which the insured has financial interest as a result of some uncertain event. Okay, so when the money will be returned back when any uncertain event will take place, like a fire, like anything can happen, like damage, okay, injury, accident, anything can happen. Okay, so this is the insurance. There are two parties are involved, insurer and insurance company. Okay, so the amount which insurer pay to insurance company is known as premium, which is a consideration. Okay, so tell me, insurance is which type of contract?
Insurance is a legal contract.
Very good. Insurance is a legal contract. To tell me, what are the types of insurance?
Insurance is of three type.
Very good. So, insurance is of three type. First is life insurance. Okay. So, life insurance, it may be defined as a contract in which the insurer, in consideration of a certain premium, either in lump sum or by other periodical payments, agrees to pay to the assured or the person for those benefit the policy is taken. The life insurance is related with the two types of risk: the risk of dying too early, the risk of dying too late. Okay, so in life insurance, what happens? In this insurance are done for any person's life. Okay, so the insured person pays amount which is premium. Okay, so in this case, what happens? He can pay this premium either in lump sum money or in installment. Okay, so in any other periodical payments. Okay, so in this he pays premium in either lump sum money or in other periodical payments. Okay, so the person for those benefit the policy is taken. Okay, so in this the life of the person is insured, for those benefit the policy is taken. Okay, so there are two types of risk are there. Risk of dying too early means when a person dies early, or risk of dying too late. Okay, when he die in late. Okay, so tell me, with life insurance, what is insured?
With life insurance, life is insured.
Yes, in life, with life insurance, life is secured. Okay, so what do you mean by fire insurance?
Fire insurance taken against the fire.
Okay, so this is second type of insurance, which is fire insurance. So fire insurance is a contract between the policy holder and the insurer. Here the insurance company will pay to the policy holder any loss caused to him or his particular property when destroyed by a fire accident. So the protection is against any damage that the fire can cause. Okay, so in this there is a contract. Of course, insurance is a legal contract. So life insurance is also a contract between the policy holder, means the person who has taken the policy is known as policy holder, and the insurance company. Okay, so insurance company will pay to the policy holder any loss caused to him. Okay, if any loss caused to the person or to any property, means the insured property, by destroying by fire accident. Okay, so in insurance, what happens, the insurance company will pay to the policy holder only if the damages are done by the fire. Okay, so only fire accident will be insured. So the protection is against any damage that the fire can cause. Okay, so whatever damage the fire has caused, in this picture also you can see that the building is burning. Okay, so building is burning by fire. So this will come under fire insurance. Okay, so tell me, what is the first condition in fire insurance?
That the damage is caused by the fire only.
Very good. The Okay, so here is the third insurance, which is marine insurance. Okay, in marine insurance is generally meant for sea transport and shipping corporations. It provides insurance to ships and the cargo they carry. Okay, so marine insurance is generally is taken for sea transport when the goods are transported. Okay, so in picture you can see the ships are there, and so many of goods are loaded over there, and the ship is sinking, is about to sink in the water. Okay, so marine insurance is related to the sea transport and shipping corporation. It provides insurance to the ships and the cargoes they carry. Okay, so marine insurance is taken for the ships and the cargoes they carry. Marine insurance covered any damage a ship or the cargo of the ship may suffer during the voyage or at any point between the start and the end of journey. Okay, so in marine insurance, what happens? The insurance is being taken for the ship, okay, and the cargo that carries, okay, and marine insurance only covers the damage of the ship uh, that occur suffer during the voyage or any point between start of the journey, okay, any point between start and end of the journey. Okay, so during the voyage, any damage will occur to the ship, then it will be covered under marine insurance. Okay, so what do you mean by insurance?
Insurance is a contract in which the individual or entity get financed.
Very good. Why do we need insurance?
We need insurance to get insured against risk.
Very good. What is insurance policy?
The insurer and the insured enter in a legal contract for insurance is called insurance policy.
Very good. Okay, so name two risk life insurance is related with.
Risk of dying early or risk of dying lately.
Yes, risk of dying early and risk of dying too late. Okay, so
Lately.
what are two conditions of fire insurance?
That damage should be caused due to fire is one
Okay,
of the condition of fire insurance.
very good. Okay, so here are some sentences. Say true if they are correct, say false if they are incorrect. Okay, so insurance is a contract between individual and insurance company.
True.
Okay. So
True.
insurance, good. Insurance is of 4 types.
False. 3 types.
Good. Insurance is of 3 types only. Okay. Life insurance is related with 2 risks.
True.
Yes. Good. Fire insurance is contract to insure against fire.
True.
Good. Marine insurance provide insurance to train and buses.
False.
Very good. So here is your homework. Okay. Question number 1 is what is insurance? Okay. And question number 2 is what is life and fire insurance? Okay. So you have to write life insurance and fire insurance. Okay. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.